Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess Naughty, and today I am going to be doing something with this head. A store on Amazon called YMSGIRL sent me a headband wig for me to review for you guys, and I am excited. Do you guys see this bag? It says that your hair is your crown, and yes it is. I love this bag. They even went as far as adding tassels at the end of the string. It's very nice and creative. I never really get a package where they fancy it up, but this is pretty. Inside the bag, they did have a whole bunch of goodies. One of them being this satin scarf. I had this brown stocking cap. You don't really see this color in most bags. They normally give you the black ones or the lighter ones, so I thought it was pretty cool that they had this one. They also had this red headband wig, this cheetah one that everyone sends, and this black one. So I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks outside of the package. I'm going to show you guys the texture that I'm working with, and I'll let you guys know if it sheds. So the first thing that I noticed when I took the hair out of the bag is the smell. I don't know if it's the smell of plastic or what, but the smell was strong. So I kind of understand why people wash their hair right after receiving it. This is a 14-inch curly Brazilian headband wig. It is human hair and it's in the color 1B. As you guys can see, it was so easy for me to run my hands through it. And you guys, this hair is soft. The headband that's attached to this wig does have a Velcro to it. For extra security, there's 3 clips in the front. Now, these aren't the same as most of the headband wigs that I've been getting. These are the ones that you have to push in and out. It's not like the combs that you slide into your hair. For additional security, they added 2 more clips to the back. All of the tracks are sewn onto this elastic dome cap. Because I have a much kinkier texture than the one that's on the headband wig, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my edges so that it matches the hair a little bit better.
I came to make a name. Got your star and leave it on that pavement. Came to entertain, but what I didn't know is that a stage would be my gauge. Cause when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love yourself in this silence. And yeah, I wanna see my worth when no one else does. I keep looking and I keep trying, but I feel my Hollywood heart, and it's every beat is a knockoff. I'm trying to heal my Hollywood heart, but it's hard to give it my trust, cause Hollywood heart is...
Now that I'm done laying down my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the clips so it'll be easier for me to slide them into my hair.
Hollywood heart isn't whole till you make it.
Because this is a headband wig, you have the option of putting your headband piece at the very front where your edges are, or you can put it as far back as I did. I know my wig cap is brown, but it shouldn't matter whether you wear a black one or a brown one. If you install the headband wig right, then it shouldn't show. You guys, I did push down all of the clips that came with the headband wig, but after a while I did loosen it to where just 2 of them were in my hair, the one in the front and one in the back, because it was too secure to where it was irritating my scalp. So if you do buy this piece, don't feel the need to use all the clips. Just use whatever feels comfortable to you. I just used 2. I love the Velcro on this unit because most of the ones that I do have are a little bit longer than it should be, so there's that extra piece of Velcro that's hanging out. This one was perfect. Yeah, I was feeling this hair. There was no need for me to comb this hair out so I can have puffier hair, because by the end of this video, my hair was already puffed out. I could not keep my hands out of my hair. Well, the headband wig hair. I'm gonna play with her for a while, and then I'm gonna put on all the headbands that they sent with this unit, and I'm also gonna try to attempt to do some styles with it.
Started with one day, thought that that's all it was. Thought it would end up like it usually does. All the things you do make me feel it's confusing. I don't really know what I'm doing, but stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. All I know is we got something. Has it been a week since we met? Is this too fast? I'm afraid of saying I want this to last. One dance was all I thought it was. Thought it would end like it usually does. This ain't nothing, we've got something. All I know, this ain't nothing, we've got something. All I know, all I know, this ain't nothing. Should we stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. All I know is we've got something. Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough.
I love this hair. There was barely any shedding, and I know you guys seen me run my hands through this hair a million times. I really enjoyed this unit, and out of all of the headband wigs I've ever tried, I think this is probably one of my favorite ones. This headband wig is very versatile, and I feel like I could do anything with it. The information for this unit will be down below in my description box. If you guys like this video just as much as I like trying this hair on, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.